Here we're on a residential section where the storm hit hard. See them cutting logs up over here. Glen Lake is right behind those homes. See the devastation, trees down. A couple of homes up here that actually had trees that fell through them. That one got hit a little on the roof. See the logs piled up by the side of the road. Some pretty big trees. Gotten hit, but you couldn't see it from the road really. Maybe we're gonna have firewood for a long time to come. It's the only very small bright side to any of this. There's a house that has cut right in half by a tree. Came through right here. Some power lines on the ground. I don't know if that's temporary power they ran in or those used to be up on the utility poles. What'd you say? Oh, I didn't even notice. Real nice vacation properties that got hammered by this storm. It'll never be the same. Long time to come. Out of the road where the homes are, which is closer to Glen Lake. On this side. Matthew trying to make a run here, trying to escape from the peloton. Got to stop the breakaway. Here. Some utility pole down. Looks like Matthew has more than I do this time.